Applying to ENTA was a little stressful. I was ready to be humbled since I'd never really been surrounded by so many passionate artists before. But I see now that it pushed me even further to grow. Hi, my name is Beril, and I'm a foundation student who wants to pursue game design. Being here has helped me be more confident and approachable. I believe I'm more eager to work and improve my skills than I've ever been. My biggest focus at the moment is improving my social and networking skills. And honestly, being next to people with the same mindset as me has given me so many opportunities to do just that. Great change in my daily habit was to allow myself to fail and be imperfect. By not putting so much pressure on myself, I've come to realize how much more I can accomplish. Being a part of this community is not just about developing skills, but also about discovering who you are, like allowing yourself to see new perspectives and shape your ideals. Thank you for your time and hope to see you at ENTA.